There are 4 bank accounts you must operate within your business. Okay. The first one is an operating account. An operating account is your main account. That is where all the payment that is coming into your business, that is the account all that money must be coming into. Okay. All your revenues from your business activities. Okay. The second account you need is a profit account. You need to send a percentage of that revenue that come into that account. You send it into a profit account. That profit account is your money. Okay. Any money that goes into that account is your own personal money. It is not for expenses. It is not for anything. It is your reward for building a business. Okay. Percentage of the revenue you send will be determined by you. Okay. It could be 10%. It could be 15%, depending on your profit margin. The profit margin you included, in your selling price, the price you are selling your product or your services. Okay. That will determine the percentage you should send into your profit account. But our advice, it shouldn't go below 10%. The third account is your expense account. You would also need to send a percentage of the revenue into an expense account. It could be 15, it could be 20%. Okay. This expense account is where all your expenses will be paid from. Okay. Your salaries, you want to pay bills, whatever it is, will come from your expense account. All right. The last account is your growth fund account. This account will receive about 10% or 15% of the revenue. The essence of this growth fund account is to fund any capital expenditure. Okay, anything you want to purchase that would grow your business, that leads to growth in your business, that is where you'll be putting the money. For every business that have a future, that have a goal, you must have a need for growth. So every money, all the funds you'll be spending to achieve that growth will be coming out from your growth funds. Okay, whether you want to pay a consultant to come into your business, whether you want to buy new machineries, whether you're thinking on getting and expanding your business, you want to get a new store location, you need to have a growth fund account, service all those growth needs that you have, okay, that your business have. No money should come out directly from your operating account for expenses. You shouldn't remove any money from your operating account for personal use also. No. Every money that comes into your operating account, you need to start sending to other individual accounts. Okay. If you, as an entrepreneur, as the owner of the business, want to buy anything, that money should come from your profit account. All right. If you need to increase it, that is fine. But make sure you divide your account this way. This will allow you to know where money is going and where money is coming from. Okay. It is very important for your financial management within your business. Most businesses that fail because of financial management, poor financial management, let me say. And this is a strategy that would help you. Okay, just make sure you have more than one account and you are not using that one account to operate both expenses, operating expenses, growth expenses. No, don't just use one account for it. It's very important you divide your account so you have each functional account that carries out its own expenses, has its own needs too. All right, very important.